what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So this is Vidisha Banerjee, and as you can see, I'm super excited today because this is going to be a Valentine's Day special video. Today I'm going to share 3 amazing DIYs with you all, and those are going to be super easy. Anyone can make them. So let's get into the video. To make this wall hanging, you will need several of these heart-shaped cutouts. Here we will make a memory wall hanging. For that you will need this kind of a stick woolen thread. We will simply tie a knot here. We will now start wrapping it. And we will be continuing the process till we reach the end of the stick. Now once we are done with wrapping the woolen thread, we will secure it with glue. Now place your stick here and take some printouts. At first we will arrange them, then we will attach them with the help of woolen thread. This DIY is also very easy, but the result is quite amazing. We will arrange them this way. Now take woolen thread, tie it here. Now take this heart shape. Now on this paper cutout that we have made at the beginning of the video, we will apply some glue and now we will stick it here. And similarly, we will stick the picture also. We will stick all the pictures like this and the paper cutouts as well. So after sticking all of them, it looks like this. Now we will add some tassels here at the end of the string. If you have seen my jute coaster video, I have shown there how to make a tassel. If you haven't seen that, I will link that in the description box. Please check that out. That's how our memory wall hanging is looking. Look how beautiful it is looking. This is my personal favorite. For this DIY, you will need popsicle sticks. By placing them one by one, we will try to create a hexagon shape like so. Then we will stick them using glue. Now we will repeat the same process. As you can see, this is very easy. You just have to continue with the same process. Have patience. It will really look amazing. Now simply using white color, we are going to paint the frame. So after coloring, we will let it dry, and then we will take a printout of a picture and we will cut it according to the size of our frame. So I have marked all the sides. Now we will cut it. Here I have cut the picture and now we will stick it at the back side of the shelf using glue. Yes. You see once if everything is in proper place. Now stick it using glue. I think this DIY is extremely easy and extremely cheap, but at the same time very cute. I'm sure your partner would love it, and I think you will be proud of this DIY. And we will stick it like this. Look how cute and classy this DIY is looking. I totally love this idea. If you also loved it, please comment down below. This DIY is extremely easy. At first, take this Kishan ka jar. I have drawn a boy and a girl here. I'm not showing you the process because the video would be really lengthy. This step is totally optional. You can stick a picture here or draw something. That is why I'm not showing it here. Now we will take the lid off and we will color it with acrylic color. Now you will need different colored paper cutouts, and on that paper we will write any memorable place or date. Now fold it and put it inside the jar. Add some pearls inside it. You can also add chocolates. Now here I'm gonna attach jute string. You can also go for woolen thread. This idea is really cute and really simple. Anyone can make it. I really hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends and also let me know in the comments what kind of DIY videos you want me to make for my channel. Thank you.